Dream house, more than just bricks and mortar. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very special phrase, dream house. This phrase is not just about architecture or real estate. It's about hopes, dreams, and aspirations. So, let's dive in and understand what dream house really means in English. Dream house is a compound noun, combining dream and house. In English, a dream often refers to something that is highly desired or aspired to, not just something experienced while sleeping. A house, of course, is a building where people live. So, a dream house is a person's ideal or perfect home, the kind of place they would love to live in if they could choose any house in the world. The idea of a dream house goes beyond just a physical structure. It represents a person's aspirations, goals, and ideal lifestyle. For some, a dream house might be a cozy cottage in the countryside. For others, it could be a modern apartment in a bustling city. It's not just about the size or luxury of the house, but how well it aligns with a person's dreams and lifestyle. Let's see how we can use dream house in everyday English. 1. I finally bought my dream house by the ocean. 2. As a child, I always drew pictures of my dream house. 3. They are saving money to build their dream house one day. Notice how the phrase can be used to talk about actual plans or more imaginative, aspirational ideas. In English-speaking cultures, the concept of a dream house is quite common. It's often used in TV shows, magazines, and conversations about the future. You might also hear variations like dream home or ideal home. These phrases carry the same meaning and are used interchangeably. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helps you understand not just the meaning of dream house, but also the dreams and aspirations it represents in the English-speaking world. Remember, learning a language is not just about words, but also the ideas and cultures behind them. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep learning.